What is up, my shredheads? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we are going to be reviewing the Kugoo Kirin M4 Pro. Before we get started on this review, if you guys do want to support the channel, check out that link down below for Kugoo. Use code Shreddie, save $50 on your order. If no scoot or scoots aren't for you, check out all those other links down below. There might be a bike you like. Kugoo claims that the M4 Pro can hit 31 miles an hour, but we're definitely going to see about that. They also claim a range of about 31 to 37 miles on this bad boy. So right down here, it has a 48 volt, 18 amp hour battery. And back here, we have a 500 watt brushless motor. They also have front and rear mechanical disc brakes. We also have 10-inch off-road tires on the front and rear. These things are pretty chunky. They look like they'll definitely do pretty good off-road. The weight of the M4 Pro is about 49 pounds, so that's not heavy at all. It's pretty easy to fold up and actually throw in the back of your car or in the trunk. So the cool thing about the scooter is that you can take the seat off, take this little post off and put a little, it's like a little kick plate on there, so you can ride it standing up. But me personally, I'm gonna keep it just like this with the seat. It's a lot of fun riding it like this. It feels like a little go-kart. But the one thing I would complain about on the seat is this post. It just keeps on like peeling and just throwing metal shards all over the place. I wish they would just update that or just not even paint it. I don't even know why it's peeling so bad. The max load on the Kugoo Kirin M4 Pro is 300 pounds. The charging time on it is a little bit long. It takes about 8 hours. It does come with a 2 amp charger. It also does have front suspension, like these little springs on the front. You also have this suspension on the back. It does feel a little stiff, but we'll try to jump it and just see what it all feels like. I'm a little bit scared to jump on it because I don't know how well that lock will hold on, but we're gonna test it out for you guys in scooter science. So if you guys are interested in how to put that seat on or how to build it, I do have an unboxing live video I'll just post up here. It does come with 2 keys, so it's pretty awesome having a key. Your little voltage reader right there. Nice and fresh. Let's turn it on. It's hard to read. 54 volts, that's pretty much a full charge. The display is actually really easy to program. You can actually search up that display and get all the information on this. This scooter is actually tuned up all the way, so it's gonna go hopefully 31 miles an hour. So let's turn it on right there. Long press it, now we're in mode 1. We do have a pointer finger throttle, which is pretty neat. I love the feeling of this. I feel like I would like that on some e-bikes. We also have a horn on here. Listen to this thing. That thing's so annoying. So here's the front LED headlight. This thing is pretty bright at nighttime, but it's like a straight on beam. We also have a rear brake light, so when you hit the brakes, it gets a little brighter. And what's really cool is we have left and right turning signals right here, and then a right signal right over here. Just pretty neat. The M4 Pro retails for $729, but don't forget, if you use code Shreddie, you'll save $50. All right, guys, so let's get started on some speed tests. All right, let's get started. We're on the streets. We're in mode 1. I'm gonna start off in mode 3 just to see what the top speed is. And just for reference, I am 150 pounds on this, so we're gonna see if we can hit 31 miles an hour. Let's get that freshie peel off. That's so nice. Here we go. Can we hit 31 miles an hour? All right, now we got the speed app ready. Let's go. Top speed, here we go. Mode 3. Oh man. I don't see this hitting 31 miles an hour, guys. We're about 22.3 miles an hour. We are going towards the wind. We'll try it back going this way. 23.5 is the highest that I hit. All right, guys, now we're going with the wind. Let's see if we can hit more than 23.5 miles an hour. Come on, Kugoo. Oh, okay. All right, there we go. 25.9. 26.9 is my top speed in mode 3, guys. All right, let's check top speed in mode 2 now. 18.7, 18.8, 18.9. Looks like the top speed we hit in mode 2 was 18.9. All right, guys, we switched to mode 1. Let's see what our top speed is in mode 1. I know this isn't gonna be fun. Oh boy, there's like no power in mode 1. I'm thinking we can definitely take this shopping at Walmart for sure. I just need to throw a little rack on the front. That'd be so crazy. We're gonna go with 10.2 miles an hour as our top speed in mode 1. All right, guys. So supposedly this thing can go up 15-degree slopes. I don't know, this might be more than a 15-degree slope, but we'll see. Yeah, definitely not gonna make it. Riding a little mini scooter through the grass. Guys, this thing feels like a little go-kart. What in the world? Guys, it's funny, you can actually use this thing as your like daily driver. No, but I think the perfect thing for this would be you can just fold it up, take it somewhere like close to the beach where you got to pay a lot for parking, and you can just ride this. And oh guys, one thing I did forget to mention is this does have regen braking, so if you lightly grab the brakes, it does slow down pretty good for you. I do have it turned up all the way. I'm gonna stand up on this thing and just see if it could take a little curb drop. I'm a little scared, but all right, here we go. Yo, it is hard to do that with the seat on there, guys. Oh my God, I'm so scared to jump this. I just feel, oh my God, I keep on thinking it's gonna just like fold in half. Hell yeah. This little thing rips. So much fun. I feel like if you live in a city, a scooter like this would be a perfect application for you. Or if you go to college and you just need to get around quickly and you don't want to buy a car. The seat on this thing is comfortable, soft, but it has this little suspension seat post that like, it keeps like popping and sticking. It's just really uncomfortable. Let's do a quick brake check on this thing. Let's get up to 20 and we'll do it. Huh, not bad. I do not even want to be here. I do not want to be doing this. But you know what? We're testing this for you guys in scooter science, e-scoot science. Oh my God. Not bad off-road. I'm just scared of ticks. Not bad, not bad. Look at all those crickets. That's so awesome. Let's see them again, just one more time. Whoa. That's so cool. I definitely know I won't make it up this hill, but I hope the brakes work. Oh, that's so sketchy. We're gonna see if we can make it straight up this. Definitely more than a 15-degree hill. Nope. All right, let's see if we can make it up this hill at full throttle. We definitely got to make it up here with this momentum. Oh yeah, that was nothing. I don't think I'm gonna make this, but we'll see, we'll see. Comment down below, what do you guys think? Oh no, nope. No, help me, help. The hill climbing on this thing isn't too crazy, but for getting you around, it's pretty awesome. It's a lot of fun. I'm really scared. I'm really scared, I'm really scared, I'm really scared. Don't break, don't break. Hey! Yes, thank you, momentum. All right, guys, we are coming to the end of this fun little review, guys, but not before we hit one more little jump, our favorite jump at the church here. I do this for you guys. Oh man, what a fun little review, guys. This little thing is definitely a blast to ride. Just wish the seat was a little better quality. So if you guys did enjoy this little review, definitely, please don't forget to drop a like. All right, Kugoo Kirin M4 Pro. They're pretty fun. So guys, I definitely had a lot of fun on this little scooter. I definitely see myself riding this a lot. I might even throw this around in a little group ride. With this scooter, I see myself taking it on like trips and throwing it in a car or just like bringing it around. Super easy to transport. I'm gonna show you guys how easy this is to take apart and put in your car. So you definitely wanna remove that seat first. Unscrew this here, pop that down. Then there's this little button over here. It unlocks it. Drop that down. Then you come down over here. See right here, it locks in like that, but you pull that out, turn it, push down really hard. Just like that. And just like that, is all folded up, and you can pick it up, easy to hold with one hand, so easy to transport. Pretty happy with this. So guys, definitely a fun little portable scooter to take out anywhere you want. Super easy to fold up, very compact. And also, like I said earlier, if you're like a college kid and you don't want to buy a car and you want a little scooter to rip around on, this thing's definitely for you guys. And guys, as always, if you do want to support the channel, please check out that link down below for the Kugoo Kirin M4 Pro. Use code Shreddie, save $50 on your order. If Kugoo isn't for you, check out all those other links down below. There might be a bike you like. So guys, as they did say, they claimed a 31 to 37 mile range on this with the 18 amp hour battery. I'm gonna test that. We're gonna see if we can get 31 miles on this. I'm gonna go full throttle. I'm thinking I could probably get 15 to 20 miles on this scooter going full throttle, but we'll see about that. And as always, if you guys want to support the channel, please consider subscribing, hitting that like button, and ringing that notification to be notified when I'm making videos. And are you guys ready for the moment of silence for the subscribe button? In 3, 2, 1, hit subscribe, heads down. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next scoot. Look at all those crickets. Whoa, that's so cool.